What's going on, guys? Welcome back today. Got a good one. Look who came to visit. Got Lucifer and Brandon over there. Got all the cars coming out. Got the Rice Bucket GTR, so I can explain. C8 Blue.
You're disgusting, dude. Did you throw up your little f***ing Gerber baby formula on you or what? It's wet. No wonder why he doesn't have a f***ing girlfriend, dude.
This car's louder than yours.
He's getting chased out.
Hey, come here.
Look at this dude.
You guys know how we have to start this video. Brandon killed like 4 of these last night. Killing all my cherry coke. Brandon killing my cherry cokes, man. Now we're ready to start the video, huh?
I guess.
We're good to go, baby.
Sponsor ready.
You're not gonna believe what came in the mail. I'm sure you can see by the title and thumbnail, but take a look at what we got. The long tubes for the C8 finally arrived. They are from LTH, made in America, baby. We're gonna do the unboxing right now. Take a look at them, try to compare them the best we can from what we can see from the car, and yeah, go from there. One of the boxes. Oh, jeez. Time to take a look at what we have inside.
They got that packed in there good.
Yeah, I know. Packed really nice.
Oh,
Oh, baby.
what do we have here? You hype?
Yeah, this is actually really nice. Ooh.
Little things with big gains.
Dude, feel the weight on them, Brandon.
It ain't.
They weigh about as much as Brandon.
It ain't all about size. It's about what they can do.
Okay, so the cluster of the factory one with the Z51 package, I think it comes to like 2.5 inches, and I think this one from like I guess end to end is about 3, which obviously is better, so it's more air flowing, which looks pretty right. The welds look really good on this.
I've never seen LTH product up close, but I know a lot of people that run them. I love how they have them finished.
Yeah, this is nice. I can't wait to see them in the car. It's gonna sound nasty. Step-by-step directions.
They write you a love note in there?
A little bit.
What's in there, like taking the bumper off and stuff?
All the shields, where all the bolts are. Pretty much everything. Yeah, we don't need that. But those are my headers, the long tube ones. And then these are the high flow cats. I believe, and they should be all the gaskets and everything in there that we need, and maybe some clamps and stuff. So let me open up this box without completely destroying the box so I don't lose anything. I don't want to rip the box and everything fall out. Oh, looks like that's happening. Yep, I knew that was gonna happen. It's like Christmas.
Ooh.
Alright, so these are the high flows.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Oh, those the.
Yeah, these are the high flows. You guys want to take a look in there?
Let's see that. High flow cats.
Yep.
I don't think I've ever actually looked inside of them before.
Look how nice the welds are they did on them though.
They do a pretty good job.
It's got some weight to it too. I'm
They're,
gonna say it's at least like
really
beefy.
popular in the Mustangs. I know a lot
Yeah.
of people that run at LTH.
How long is the car gonna be down for?
Hopefully not long.
Hopefully
I'm gonna try to get it done in one day. That's the goal. If you guys want to check them out, the link will be in the description for LTH. Thanks again to Steve for helping me out and getting these to me as soon as possible. We're gonna get these on the car as soon as possible also, and I'm gonna try to get the car back again on the dyno to see if it picks up any power. I think I'm estimating like 15 to 20, and the car is untuned. Once the car is tuned, it will pick up a little bit more. But yeah, can't wait to hear what it's gonna sound like. It's gonna sound nasty, but let's pop open the trunk and take a look at the stock versus that stuff. All right, guys. These are my stock headers right here. This is all from the factory, hasn't been touched. All these shields gotta come off. There's one bolt that's in there that's really hard, they said, to get off, to take the shields off. And then the cats are down in here. These are the stock cats, stock headers. I don't know if these shields will be going back on the car. If I can put them on, I will put them on just to keep as much heat like off all this plastic material as possible. I know it's the plastic stuff's meant for it, but just to be safe, if they go back on, they can, but I don't think they will. She's about to sound really mean. I mean, the stock headers are actually pretty good on the car that I've seen in videos. Hopefully it just picks up, it's gonna flow a lot better. I'm gonna try to keep this car as a good all motor car. I don't think I'm gonna throw a boost at it unless a company reaches out to me and wants me to do boost at it and they wanna partner up and do something. Then that'll be a whole different category, but as of now, I'm probably gonna keep it all motor and do full bolt-ons to it and just run the crap out of it and see what we can do. I'm gonna try to take it to the track before I put the headers on to see what the best time I can get. I need a better tire on the car, obviously. The car does not hook up at all. So I'm gonna get that, try to get some base numbers and see if I can maybe pick up a 10th or 2.
You're about to be laying in your trunk to put on these headers.
Oh dude, all this has to come out. All this trunk space, all this plastic. I even think those braces have to come off. The whole bumper and rear has to come off.
Sounds like a nightmare, buddy.
Yeah, I'm gonna need your help. So I'm gonna take this, put this in here so you guys get a kind of idea how it's gonna look. There's not much room in here. Don't wanna scratch anything up. But I think it's gonna look really good in here. I kind of wish these had like that titanium, like that burnt look to them. I feel like that would look pretty cool. I can't wait to get these in the car. They're gonna sound really good. And I kind of want to do a startup video, just open headers.
Oh, when we're installing it, that's gonna happen.
Yes, that's a must. Link is in the description. If you have a C8, LTH is the way to go. Definitely reasonably priced. I've gotten quotes all across the board from every single company. This is the best quote I got. Definitely hooked me up. It's American made, and you can't beat the price, guys. This is good quality stuff, and you can just see the way they came in packaging. They really do care about the product. So yeah, make sure, if you want headers, go to LTH, hook them up, and they'll get you right, boys. That's gonna wrap up today's video. I hope you enjoyed that. We're gonna dive more into it. Hopefully we get the headers on as soon as possible. We definitely gotta make a track day with the car, see what quarter mile time she can do before the headers go on. So maybe we'll see a difference right there. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment some stuff you want me to do. And that's it, guys. I'm out. Peace.